This mini lecture on Explora is brought to you by Mrs. Cole and Ms. Samsky at Warwick High School's library. We are located in Newport News, Virginia. We're going to start at Warwick High School homepage. We're going to simply Google that, and then we are going to click on Library in the top menu. And when we get to the library homepage, we're going to click on Explora. This database is brought to us by the Library of Virginia, so we don't need a password for it. But I'm going to type in artificial intelligence, and notice in my drop-down menu that it already gives me artificial intelligence in healthcare. I'm going to use the filter feature, and what I want is peer-reviewed articles. And I also want a date range of within the last 5 years. I'm going to apply those. And I am going to click on the first one. In this database, what I'm going to do is access now, PDF. And by doing this, I can see that this article is here and it's full. I can download it here if I want to save it for later. But here's my citation tool to avoid plagiarism here. The only thing that I need to do here with this one is to select the style. I'm going to select APA because I'm in health science. I'm going to copy it to a clipboard, and then I'm going to paste it to whatever platform I'm using for my works cited page or my bibliography. As the great Albert Einstein once said, the only thing that you absolutely have to know is the location of the library. So please do not hesitate to stop by and make use of this invaluable resource. Thank you for taking the time to actively participate in this mini lecture. Until next time, Ms. Samsky and Mrs. Cole at Warwick High School wish you happy researching.